Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix something went wrong. Have another go in your Spotify app. So guys, if you're facing this problem while using your Spotify, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution is that you will have to make it sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection if it is working properly or not, and after this go for the other solution, that is you will have to disconnect the connected VPN in your device. So for that, open up your settings, scroll it below, tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So as from here, check if there is any connected VPN in your device. So I simply disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not, and after this go for the other solution, that is you will have to set your date and time. So for that, open up your date and time, and from here turn this toggle on for set automatically. So I turn this toggle on, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the other one, that is you will have to open up your settings again and tap on general, and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. So as from here, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So guys, reset your network settings in your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then you will have to update your Spotify app to the latest version. So guys, update your Spotify app to the latest version, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.